Chris from Works Design. Here's a quick little drive around my town, Orchard Park in New York. We got blasted with 77 inches of the white stuff. One of the things about living next to one of the biggest freshwater reserves in the world, the Great Lakes, is that when the cold front comes down from Canada, there is nice warm water for it to scoop up and dump on us, which is fine. I don't mind too much. We had plenty of warning, and we're kind of used to it. We don't really have tornadoes or earthquakes or really large bugs or varmints like that. We have snow, so I can deal with that. As you can see, a lot of people are just dug out. It's not that big of a deal now. Driving bans have been lifted. They opened up the throughways. So we're all getting back to it. Nice plowed out street. Working on plowing that car there. The National Guard helping us out in our neighborhood here. Pretty cool. It's the National Guard helping out. Love it.